Today we are studying about digestion and absorption chapter. First, what is digestion? You have already known that what is digestion. Digestion means conversion of complex food into simple absorbable form. That process is called digestion. Digestion. Why we need digestion process? What we are eating that contains carbohydrate, proteins and lipids, but cells did not need it because they need simple absorbable form. So we need digestion. Digestive system consists of alimentary canal and digestive glands. Alimentary canal contains esophagus, small intestine, large intestine and pancreas. First, this is esophagus. Esophagus, also called as food pipe. Next, this is stomach. This is liver. And this is gallbladder. Gallbladder. This is pancreas. This is duodenum. This is duodenum, this is jejunum, this is ileum, this is large intestine, this is cecum, this is colon, this is rectum, this is sigmoid colon. Sigmoid colon. Intestine and small intestine. Length of alimentary canal about 9 meter. Length of small intestine 6.5 meter and large intestine 1.5 meter. Length of large intestine. First, buccal cavity. Buccal cavity consists tongue, teeth. Tongue is a muscular, easily movable and glandular organ. Tongue. This is a tongue. Upper space and lateral surface of tongue. Many papillae. Many papillae consist of taste buds. This is sweet, this is bitter, sour and salty. Fifth taste bud is umami. This is the taste buds. Tongue have spits. Tongue takes a very important role in mastication of food, ingestion, swallowing of food, and mainly important in speaking. Tongue is help. Next, teeth. Human have 32 elements. In adult, 32 teeth. Arrangement of teeth. Half of the upper and lower jaw in the order of IC, PM and M. In the order of 2, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3 by 2, 1, 2, 3. I means incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Arrangement of teeth. Each half of the upper and lower jaw in the order of incisor, canine, premolar and molar. 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 1, 2, 3. 2 incisor, 1 canine, 2 premolar, 3 molar. This is the dental formula. Next, salivary glands. 3 pairs of salivary glands. First one is parotid glands. Parotid glands, submaxillary glands and sublingual glands, which secretes the saliva Saliva have amylase, salivary amylase, parotid gland, submaxillary gland and sublingual gland. Next, this is esophagus. Next, this is stomach. Stomach contains HCl which secretes HCl. Next, proinogen, pepsinogen. Next, renin and mucus. Actinic or parietal cells secretes the HCl. Actinic or parietal cell secretes HCl. HCl gives the acidic medium to pepsin or proinogen, pepsinogen. This HCl activate the proinogen, pepsinogen. Proinogen, pepsinogen is inactive enzyme. Proinogen, pepsinogen on exposure to HCl get converted into active enzyme pepsin. First, proinogen and pepsinogen. This is the inactive enzyme. When it exposure on exposure to HCl get converted into active enzyme pepsin. Next, pepsin converts the proteins into proteases, peptones and peptides. Pepsin converts the protein into proteases, peptones and peptides. Next, mucus. Mucus protect the inner layer of the stomach from the HCl. You know, pH of HCl is 1.2. This is very acidic. So, mucus protect the inner layer of stomach from the HCl. Next, renin important. Renin takes role very important in digestion of milk proteins. First, I have forget that. First, buccal cavity. In buccal cavity, salivary amylase converts the starch into maltose. Salivary amylase converts the starch into maltose. Next, in stomach, protein converted into proteases, peptones and peptides. Renin takes role in the digestion of milk proteins. Next, mucus protects the inner layer of the stomach by the HCl. HCl gives the acidic medium to pepsin. It activates the proinogen, pepsinogen. Next, stomach stores food up to 4 to 5 hours. Stomach stores the food 4 to 5 hours. Next, liver, hepatic lobules. Hepatic lobules are the structural and functional unit of liver. Hepatic lobules are structural and functional unit of liver that contains hepatic cells covered by Glissan's capsule. Glissan's capsule or Glissan sheet. Hepatic lobules are the structural and functional unit of liver that contains hepatic cells and covered by Glissan's capsule or Glissan sheet. Liver secretes the bile. Bile contains bile pigments, bile salts and lipids. Bile also activate the leafage. Activates leafage. Next, bile pigment. What are the bile pigments? Bilirubin, and biliverdin. Bilirubin and biliverdin are bile pigments. Bile salt, bile lipase. Bile activates the leafage. Bile bile takes very important role in emulsification of fat. Emulsification of fat. It means conversion of large fat molecules into small fat molecules. Bile helps in emulsification of fat. Next, pancreatic. Pancreatic, also called as Langerhans isolates of Langerhans. Pancreas, also called as isolates of Langerhans. Isolates of Langerhans. Pancreas also called. Next, pancreas is a endoserine and exoserine. Endoserine portion of pancreas secretes insulin and glucagon. But exoserine portion of pancreas secretes inactive enzyme trypsinogen, chymotrypsinogen, lipase, nuclease. Next, trypsinogen, pancreatic amylase. Trypsinogen is an inactive enzyme. Trypsinogen is inactive enzyme. This trypsinogen activated by the one enzyme, that is enterkinase. Enterkinase activates the trypsinogen enzyme. Converted into dipeptides. Dipeptides. Next, lipase converts the lipids into diglycerols and monoglycerols. Next, nuclease enzyme converts the nucleic acid into nucleotides and nucleosides. Nucleic acid converted into nucleosides and nucleotides by the enzyme nuclease. Next, small intestine having a small finger like structure called villi. Villi increase the area of absorption. Small intestine having a villi. Next, Complete digestion of food occurred in the small intestine. In the small intestine, maltose converted into glucose plus glucose. Glucose plus glucose by the maltase enzyme. Maltase enzyme. Lactose converted into glucose plus galactose. Glucose plus galactose. Next, sucrose, lactase. Sucrose converted into glucose plus fructose. Glucose plus fructose. Diglycerols and monoglycerol converted into fatty acid and glycerols. Fatty acid and glycerols with the help of enzyme lipase. Lipase. Next process, ingestion, digestion, next absorption. Small amount of absorption process occurs in the mouth, small intestine, stomach, pancreas, but maximum amount of absorption process occurs in small intestine. Small intestines having a villi. With the help of villi, absorption process occurs. First, small amount of glucose and proteins absorbed into the blood process diffusion, but small amount of digested food absorbed into the blood with the help of carrier proteins. But you have already know that fatty acids and glycerols, these are insoluble, can't absorb into the blood. First they are incorporated into small protein coated called like micelles. Then reformed into small protein coated fat globules called chylomicrons. These are easily absorbed into the lymph or blood. This is absorption. Next, assimilation. Digested food and absorbed food finally reach all cells and utilize their machinery work. That is assimilation. Next, disorders of digestive system. Disorders. Disorders of digestive system. First one is jaundice. Liver is affected. Skin and eyes turn into yellow color due to the deposition of bile pigments. Jaundice, liver is affected, skin and eyes turn into yellow color due to the deposition of bile pigments. Next disorder of digestive system. Second one is diarrhea. Diarrhea means increase the liquidity of fecus. Fecus means undigested and unabsorbed food, that is called fecus. Undigested and unabsorbed food sent into large intestine and rectum. Diarrhea means increase the liquidity of fecus discharge. That condition is called diarrhea. Next, constipation. Third disorder, constipation. Constipation means fecus retained in the rectum. Fecus retained in the within the colon. That condition is called constipation. Next, indigestion. Indigestion means food is not, in this condition food is not completely digested. That condition is called indigestion. This is constipation. Fecus retained in within the colon. Next, fourth, indigestion. Jaundice, diarrhea, constipation. These are disorders of digestive system. ಆಯ್ತು ಸರಿ ಅಷ್ಟು